another meme coin that might make you millionaires called Baby Dogecoin. So hello and welcome guys to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Baby Dogecoin on PancakeSwap using your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to CoinMarketCap and search Baby Dogecoin. Once you come here, simply type Baby Dogecoin. Okay, this is the Baby Dogecoin and the ranking of this coin is 2556 on CoinMarketCap. If we check Baby Dogecoin, here you can see 98,000 users just listed this coin on their watch list. And the current price is this much, you can see. Okay, the market cap is not actually correct, and this one is also not correct, but the volume might be correct because in 24 hour the volume is this much. Okay, if we scroll down and check, this coin is listed on Binance Smart Chain. It means if you want to buy Baby Dogecoin, you must have BNB coin on your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. Let's check its Baby Dogecoin chart. Here you can see the Baby Dogecoin chart, the price just decreases this much. Okay, if we go to market, you can see you might know Baby Dogecoin is not listed on any other exchange, but they are listed on PancakeSwap, LBank, xt.com, Dodo BSC, CoinW. It means you can buy Baby Dogecoin on this exchange. But from this exchange, PancakeSwap is one of the best and trusted. Okay, now let's check its website and community. If we click on its website www.babydogecoin.com, now you can see babydogecoin.com website. Here if we see, Baby Dogecoin has learned a few tricks and lessons from his meme father, Doge, a new crypto bird by fans of the Dogecoin online community. As you know, by the one tweet of Elon Musk, Dogecoin price just pumped to 100%, 200%, 1000. So Elon Musk is just trying to pump Baby Dogecoin like same Dogecoin. So I know these meme coins might not make you millionaire, might not give you much profit, but at least buy these coins about $5, $10, $20, not much more. Okay, then if we scroll down here, you can see this is the contract address of Baby Dogecoin. Of course, you can buy this on PancakeSwap. Here you can see its social media community: Telegram, Reddit, Twitter, Discord, Instagram, Facebook. If you are going to buy this coin, make sure to follow its all social media account. The good news is Baby Dogecoin has its own swap. It means you can go to Baby Dogecoin, Monero.finance swap, like this is the same like decentralized exchange website. If you don't want to use PancakeSwap, for sure you can buy Baby Dogecoin on its own decentralized exchange. Simply connect your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet with Baby Dogecoin swap and simply buy Baby Dogecoin from here. If I see here, you can buy Baby Dogecoin. This process works like PancakeSwap. This is the best news for Baby Dogecoin, that it has its own Baby Dogecoin decentralized exchange. Now here you can see the Baby Dogecoin chart. If we come to texttools.io, here you can see the chart of Baby Dogecoin, and right side you can see total liquidity, daily volume, pulled WBNB, pulled Baby Dogecoin, total tax holders. Still this coin has 4,42,000 holders. Total market cap is about 1 billion. Okay, in chart if we see, till now the price just decreases. How many percentage? Let me show you. Okay, if we come to here, let's check. The price just decreased about 64%. The price decreased 64%. It means this is in buy zone. If you buy this coin in this price, in this current price, then you might get much profit. If the price just simply go back to here, then 65% profit you will get. Okay, if we go to back here, let's check BSC scan. Here you can see still holder is 442,000 holders this coin has, and this is the contract address. If we scroll down here, this address just has 33% coin, and this address has 12%, 8%, 2%. Okay, let's go back here. How to buy? If you click here, you can learn how you can buy Dogecoin or Baby Dogecoin. Sorry. Okay, if we go to roadmap, this is the roadmap of Baby Dogecoin. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 till phase 6. You can read all the phases. Okay, now let me show you how you can buy Baby Dogecoin on your PancakeSwap. Simply click to here, buy on PancakeSwap. Now go to here. No matter whether you are using your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, make sure your wallet should have BNB coin. If you don't have BNB on your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, so go to your Binance.com, buy BNB coin and transfer your BNB from Binance to MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. If you don't know, you can check my videos. I have just uploaded how you can transfer BNB coin from your Binance to MetaMask wallet. Once you connect it to your MetaMask wallet with PancakeSwap, then here select BNB coin and here select Baby Dogecoin. Okay, how much BNB you want to buy Baby Dogecoin? About 0.1 BNB, 0.2 BNB. At least buy $5, $10, $20, not much more, because these coins are meme coin. It might decrease the price or it can make profit. So for now, I have 0.12 BNB and I want to buy maximum of my BNB coin. 0.11 BNB, I'm just getting this much Baby Dogecoin. Okay, make sure you have selected 11% for transaction fees. Okay, click on swap option. Now confirm swap. Waiting for confirmation. I don't know what's the problem. Swap. This is confirm swap. Okay, let me show you 0.10 swap. Confirm swap. Again facing problem. What's the problem is here? Now we will just increase 12%. Okay, close it. Maximum swap. Confirm swap. Here finally the transaction just working. Make sure to select 12% for transaction fees. Now confirm. Okay, finally the transaction is submitted. Okay, close. Now wait for a second till the transaction is completed. Okay, finally transaction received. I just swap 0.11 BNB for this much Baby Dogecoin. Here you see I have this much Baby Dogecoin. Let me check in dollar how much Baby Dogecoin I just buy. Maximum coin, I just buy $35 Baby Dogecoin, and the current price is, let me show you, the current price is this much, 2990. This is the easiest method you can buy Baby Dogecoin on PancakeSwap. How you can sell your Baby Dogecoin when you are in profit? Simply select Baby Dogecoin here and select BNB, BNB, then click maximum. After this, click approve Baby Dogecoin. Once the Baby Dogecoin is approved, then click on swap option, confirm the transaction, then finally you will sell your Baby Dogecoin. But my recommendation is to not sell your Baby Dogecoin. Hold for a few months or 1 year, then get a huge profit. So I hope you get this video how you can buy Baby Dogecoin. Might be this coin just give you huge profit, so do not miss this coin, because Elon Musk is behind of Baby Dogecoin like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin. So let's hold this coin, let's pump the price of Baby Dogecoin to the moon. So if you have any confusion or question about how you can buy this coin, if you are facing problem while buying this coin on PancakeSwap, so feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.